Good morning, everyone. So today we're off to Mangrove Mountain Dam. We're going to do some panoramic photo shoots up there with all the drones. Have the Mavic 2 Pro, everything you can think of. So stay tuned, let the road trip begin. Drone meetup day, Mangrove Creek Dam. Here's some stats if you want to have a look. 60% full, 190,000 megalitres. Yeah. Visitors book, fair bit of parking, maybe 15 or 20 cars. Brochures on how it's built and all the catchment areas and the weirs involved. Marty Dam, Mangrove and Mooney, the three big ones around this area. And then little catchment and treatment plants, information books. Pretty cool area. You've got well maintained. Lots of picnic areas. There's electric barbecues up here. Nice picnic tables. Killer view. You'll see some footage later. Here's the electric barbecue. Thunderboxes are up there. We'll go up and check those out. Please clean barbecue. Push and hold. There she goes. It's gas. Come back and check that out. That should heat up. What an awesome day. So yeah, get up here, check it out. It's free. It's a bit of a drive. But, Mangrove Creek Dam. Really nice viewing areas. You've got, won't go up there, but 2 new toilets. Really cool. Yeah, let's check out the view. So we'll cut to some drone footage now. Okay, we're wrapping it up here at Mangrove Mountain Dam. We're going to head back to Cold Neura Motors, which is a place we're going to go and get our hamburgers. So keep an eye out for the Bigfoot. We haven't seen him yet, but there are reports there's one up here. Catches all. Hope you enjoyed a little tour to Mangrove Mountain Dam, and check out the photos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out some more videos, and share all these videos as much as you can. And if you ever need to come along for a fly, thinking about buying a drone, we have a myriad of drones: Patello, Sparks, Zomies, all the DJI range. So come along and have a fly. Check them out. Catches.